So as you probably know, we're doing a lot of construction at the Cosmosphere right now, and one of the new things that we're adding to our museum area is a new classroom, and here to talk about that is one of our educators named Nick. Hey Nick!
Hey Chuck! How's it going?
So what do you think is the best part about this classroom?
I mean, there's a lot of really excellent features. It's kind of tough to think through the practical realities of what you're going to want as an educator and as someone who's teaching before you get to that point. Those things tend to only become apparent afterwards. But there's a lot of features about this that we really like. For example, this new flooring is it's a nice laminate. It is a solid surface, so it'll be very easy to sweep and clean, which we are always very appreciative of, because you know we're making messes in here. One of the absolute best features of this classroom is it has a sink. And I can't express to you how much a sink is desperately, sorely needed when you're teaching kids and having them do craft stuff, which we are planning to do in this space. One feature I love about this classroom is that it's connected to an exhibit space that has a number of rocket engines and also exhibits and interactives about rocket engines and how they work. So we're looking forward to, in this classroom, doing not just construction related to rockets and rocket engines, but also other arts and crafts projects that'll fit great into our curriculum. That kind of creativity is also, it's really essential not just to art projects, but it also intermeshes really well with engineering and science principles. You have to be able to be a creative problem solver to solve the kind of complex things that you encounter in math and science. And so being able to do those kinds of projects down here is really essential, and is going to be very well enabled by another great feature of this classroom, which is plenty of excellent storage space. Like these cabinets!